The AH-1Z Viper is the latest and most potent form of the Vietnam War-era AH-1 Cobra helicopter debuted in the late 1960s. During development of the single-engine AH-1 for the United States Army, the United States Marine Corps USMC expressed interest in a twin-engine arrangement of the same attack platform which gave rise to the AH-1Z Cobra offshoot introduced in 1971. The line ultimately begat an entire family of twin-engine attack platforms all related to the original AH-1 with over 1,270 C Cobras, and the related Super Cobra, produced. The Viper form represents an extension of the AH-1Z Super Cobra line for the USMC, intending to keep the product a viable battlefield component into the next several decades. The AH-1Z includes a composite 4-blade main rotor and 4-blade tail rotor assemblies, bearingless, driven by 2X General Electric T700 series turboshaft engines. Performance is enhanced as a result, and the added power provides a higher operating weight than in previous Cobra iterations. Many of its onboard systems have been updated and some all-new equipment has been fitted for improved battlefield survivability and situational awareness. The cockpits are now dominated by a pair of Rockwell Collins LCDs and allows for the helicopter to be piloted from either seat. All pertinent mission parameters are showcased through the color displays. A digital 3D map allows for improved navigation. One of the key additions to the Cobra line is use of helmet-mounted displays, HMDs, manufactured by B Systems, as the Striker. The helmets are also used to showcase mission parameters, flight data, and the like, as well as being linked to the onboard weapons system for target cueing. The wing stubs have been extended and offer all modern support for supported USN/USMC ordnance, including guided and precision weaponry. First flight of the AH-1Z was on December 8, 2003. Prototypes were evaluated into 2003. The USMC marked some 180 AH-1Ws for conversion to the newer AH-1Z standard, with the initial production models received in 2005. Some 28 examples have been delivered to date, 2014, with the final airframes expected prior to 2019. During 2008, production was modified to include the final 40 helicopters as new build models, and not conversions of existing airframes, while an add-on order for the USMC followed in September of that year to bring its total procurement to 189. As finalized, the AH-1Z is outfitted with 2X General Electric D700 GE401C turboshaft engines developing 1,800 shaft horsepower each. Performance numbers include a maximum speed of 255 miles per hour, a range out to 425 miles, a service ceiling of over 20,000 feet, and a rate of climb of 2,800 feet per minute. The helicopter continues the slim profile appearance established by the original AH-1 Cobra of the Vietnam War years. The tandem seat cockpit seats the pilot in the rear with the weapons officer at front. The tail rotor unit is set to the port side, unlike the starboard side facing of the original Cobra and the follow-up Super Cobra. The undercarriage is of the fixed skid arrangement as in the original. The wing stubs feature 3 hardpoints apiece, 6 total, and can mount the AGM-114 Hellfire anti-tank missile, the AIM-9 Sidewinder air-to-air missile, and the 2.75 inches Hydra 70 rocket pod in a 7 or 19 shot count. The standard armament remains the 20mm M197 3-barreled Gatling-style cannon in the A/A49E powered chin turret. Fire control is assisted through the Lockheed Martin, Northrop Grumman and /APG-78 longbow radar system. The AH-1Z Viper was formally introduced during 2010. For a short time, the helicopter was under consideration by the government of South Korea as its next standard attack helicopter until the decision was reached in 2013 to pursue the AH-64E Apache instead.